There's nothing more groundbreaking than actually breaking ground on your new custom home. As a recipient of the National Housing Quality Award, you can feel confident that you are in good hands. There are various stages of the build phase: home site preparation and excavation, foundation, framing, rough-in mechanicals, insulation and drywall, painting, flooring, and finishing touches.
That's where the vision comes to life, if you will, because you really get to go out and walk and figure out where your house is going to be.
The most exciting part for me was the breaking of the ground.
And when I seen the insulation and how they sealed every joint around the floor and up the walls, afterwards, a couple months of heating bills, it was like, wow, this is great. And that's the difference.
Because your new home is a source of pride to both you and Schumacher Homes, we want to be certain that your home meets your expectations and our level of craftsmanship and standards of quality. During the homeowner orientation and walkthrough, you will go through a detailed checklist with your construction manager and learn all about your new home before the final step, move-in.